Hello friends, aviation headsets and intercoms provide clear communication, superior noise reduction, and lasting comfort, helping pilots and crews stay connected and focused throughout every flight. Number 1. Core Aviation P1 Pilot Headset. The Core Aviation P1 Pilot Headset is a budget-friendly headset designed for student pilots, flight schools, and flight instructors. It features 24 dB passive noise reduction, a noise-canceling microphone, acoustic foam ear cups for comfort, and an AUX input for audio devices, delivering clear communication and reliable performance during flight training. Number 2. Rugged Air RA200 Aviation Headset. The Rugged Air RA200 Aviation Headset is a dependable and budget-friendly choice for student pilots, flight schools, and flight instructors. It features 24 dB passive noise reduction, PNR, clear hear 50mm audio speakers, a noise-canceling microphone, comfortable foam ear seals, and a 3.5mm audio input for music or training audio. Its lightweight design, adjustable stainless steel headband, and durable GA dual plugs make it ideal for reliable communication during flight training. Number 3. MOVSSOU Classic E7 Active Headset. The MOVSSOU Classic E7 Active Noise Cancelling Headphones deliver immersive wireless audio with advanced ANC technology, 45mm HD drivers, and deep bass for music, calls, and entertainment. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, soft over-ear ear cushions, and up to 30 hours of battery life, they provide all-day comfort and reliable performance for home, office, travel, and everyday listening. Number 4. Sony MDR M1 Headphones. The Sony MDR M1 Professional Reference Closed Monitor Headphones are designed for creators, audio engineers, and music producers who need accurate studio-quality sound. They feature ultra-wideband 5 Hz, 80 kHz playback, a closed-back design for excellent sound isolation, lightweight 216G construction, soft comfortable ear pads, and detachable cables for flexible studio use. Ideal for recording, mixing, mastering, and critical listening, the MDR M1 delivers precise, high-fidelity audio reproduction. Number 5. Apple AirPods Max 2 Headphones. The Apple AirPods Max 2 are premium wireless over-ear headphones featuring the Apple H2 chip, active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, personalized spatial audio, and live translation for an immersive listening experience. With Bluetooth connectivity, USB-C lossless audio, up to 20 hours of battery life, and a comfortable premium design in midnight, they deliver exceptional sound quality for music, calls, travel, work, and everyday use. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.